welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to another Payday with Day baby. Before we get started, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. Now, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing today, I did purchase from Go Beauty, New York. This unit I have reviewed before. I just want to let you all know, but I have her in a different color. Her name is Miss Valentino. I reviewed her in the past, and I have her in the color FF Cream. I loved her so much, I had to get her in a darker color. And I'm going to turn her on its side. And this was also before I was rating videos. So let's go ahead and give Miss Valentino another try. This is what Miss Valentino looks like on the stock card. She does come in other colors. Like I said, I have her in the color 2. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. This is a synthetic unit. This unit is made by Freetress Equal, a 5-inch lace deep part. Now this is Mrs. Valentino straight on out the pack. She doesn't come with any lace. She has 2 combs in the front. She has a comb in the back along with adjustable straps. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all. So I have reviewed her in the past. Like I mentioned, already know that she is a cutie on duty, honey. So let me go ahead and spruce her up so we can go ahead and get into it. All right. Valentino, honey. Yes, I didn't put a Mrs. instead of a Miss. Let me tell you, she did not disappoint with another color. You hear me? Let me just go ahead and rate her. I am giving Miss Valentino 5Ks, honey. Yeah! Love Miss Valentino. First of all, let me tell you why I gave her 5Ks. First, she's big head friendly. If you've been following my channel, you know I have a big head. So she also didn't come with any lace to cut. Okay, so that's like ding, 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 ding. That's always a winner in my book. And I love the way this unit is so natural looking. Look in the parting space. This unit looks like it grew out of my scalp. You hear me? What did it say on the stock card? Most ideal and flattering look. And let me tell you, yes, they ain't never lie. Okay, now I will tell you that I believe that Miss Valentino is meant to be worn with a part in the middle. You can turn her on the left, you can turn her on the right. You will feel, you know, a little where the ear tabs are. I'm not going to subtract points from that because they didn't tell us to turn it on the left or the right. I decided to turn it on the left. So if the ear tabs are uncomfortable, that's on me. Look at this, y'all. Look at that swoosh, like, look at that bang, like, y'all, I'm feeling myself. Yes, she is the perfect length. She's not too hot. You know how in some synthetic units they have like those rigid lines? She doesn't have those rigid lines. Let me tell you, this unit is a winner. She's beginner friendly. So if you're just getting into wigs and you really don't know what to do, you don't know how to cut lace, you know, you don't know how to pluck apart, this unit is for you. Only thing you have to do is put a little powder in, honey. You don't have to cut no lace, put it on your head, and go on about your business. So Mrs. Valentino, yes, Mrs. Valentino will get 5 Ks from me. Okay, let me turn around so you guys can see the back of her. Look at this, y'all. Tell me this is not gorgeous. This is gorgeous damn hair, okay? Like, seriously, like, I'm putting an alert out there. If you're old like me, then you remember the Thundercats. You know, they be like, Thundercats, oh, or that Batman signal. Listen, Freetress, I'm putting a signal out there. I don't care who it is. Go Beauty New York. I don't care who it is. Send me one in every color, okay? Send me one in every color. Somebody tag them in it. Send me one in every color. I want one in every damn color. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my... yeah! I get so excited, y'all, with a cute wig. Well, that's all I have on today's unit, guys. Please be on the lookout for KK's 2K giveaway. I got here faster than what I thought, and then next month is my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. So I have 2 giveaways coming up soon, but I'm going to be ordering the wig that I'm going to be giving away in my 2K giveaway probably sometime this weekend. So be out on the lookout for that video coming up. And before I go, you already know what I'm going to say, guys, and that is going to be make sure that you ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want, believe that you already have it, and sit back and wait to receive it. Until I see you all again, my KKs, make sure that you have a blessed week.